Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NFBS Home School. This is Dalia Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I would like to take a computer class for class 3. Dear students, our today's topic chapter 8 reading and short question 1 and 2. I repeat this topic again, topic chapter 8 reading done and SQ short question 1 and 2. Our lecture number 5 and homework also 5. Let's start our class. Our chapter 8, look at the board. Our chapter 8 directions and logo. Dear learners, what is a logo? Logo is a computer programming language. It's specially used to teach children. Okay. Now, so better understand, you take your computer book from chapter, go to the chapter 8, page number 54. Okay. We start. The turtle wants to get the treasure. The treasure is in front of the turtle. The turtle has to move forward. This is forward to get the treasure. The treasure is to the left or right of the turtle. The turtle has to turn left and then move forward to get the treasure. Now you write over there, the treasure is to left. Left has to turn also left and then move forward to get the treasure. The treasure is behind the turtle. Here is the picture. The turtle has to move back to get the treasure. The treasure is to the right, that is a right of the turtle, and the turtle has to turn right and then move forward to get the treasure. Now move on, page number 55. The treasure hunt. Last year, Captain Logo and his friend the turtle found a treasure in a forest. Two bunnies, that is a small rabbit, two rabbits, here is a picture, look at them carefully, and living in the forest helped them find the treasure by giving clear directions. Captain Logo and the turtle went to the forest once again to find another treasure. They put up a tent at one place and called it home. One place, that is a starting point at it home. There they met the same bunnies and asked them, "Can you give us the directions to another treasure?" "Sure," said the bunnies. "Here it is. Walk forward, turn right, walk a few steps back, turn left." Is not a clear, dear learners, here. Yes, walk forward, turn right, walk a few steps back, then turn left, walk a few steps forward, turn right, walk some steps forward, turn left, again walk a few steps forward. Then the bunnies then disappeared into the forest. The bunnies did not understand properly. So Captain Logo and the turtle were confused. They did not know how to find the treasure. The directions were not clear. They went in search of the bunnies. They found the bunnies after a long time. "You did not give us clear directions," complained the turtle. "What is wrong?" asked the bunnies. "You did not say how many steps forward or back we should take," said Captain Logo. "All right," said the bunnies. "Here are proper step-by-step directions." Okay. These steps will take you to a mango tree with a hollow trunk. Hollow, that is empty trunk. Hollow means this is an empty trunk. The treasure is hidden there. The treasure is hidden there, said the bunnies. Captain Logo and the turtle were very happy. Captain Logo wrote the directions on a piece of paper and gave it to the turtle to follow, but the turtle could not read very well. Here is the directions. Start from home, that is a starting point, walk 20 steps forward, turn right, walk 10 steps back, turn left, walk 6 steps forward, turn right, walk 4 steps forward, turn left. Again walk 20 steps forward. Okay. Now I cannot understand what you have written. So Captain Logo wrote the directions in a simple language. The Captain Logo has used a simple language which the turtle could understand. He wrote, start from home is not a clear. Let's just move on, page number 56. Now look, start from home, home, walk 20 steps forward, forward 20, turn right, that is right, walk 10 steps back, back 10, turn left, left, walk 6 steps forward, forward 6, turn right, right, walk 4 steps forward, forward 4, turn left, left, walk 20 steps forward, forward 20. Wow, this language is so simple, I can follow it so easily. I will call it the Logo language. Then they set out to find the treasure. They followed the directions step by step. They reached the mango tree. Captain Logo jumped inside the hollow trunk. That is a hollow trunk. Look, this is the hollow trunk. Hurrah, we found the treasure, the turtle sang. Captain Logo and the turtle now wanted to reach home. They started walking back, but they got lost. They got lost their address. Bunnies, bunnies, where are you? They cried. Come back and tell us how to reach home. The bunnies heard them and came to their rescue. They gave them the directions to follow. Can you write the directions in the language that the turtle can follow? Now we have to write over there. Dear learners, write with me. Turn left, then you write here left, L-E-F-T, left. Walk 30 steps forward, forward 30, forward 30. Turn right, you can write here right, right. Walk 6 steps back, back 6, back 6, turn left, left. Walk 4 steps forward, forward 4, forward 4, turn right, right. Walk 20 steps forward, forward 20. Turn left, left. You will reach home, right here, home. Finally, Captain Logo and the turtle reached home with the treasure. They were very happy. Okay, dear learners, you read this story again, chapter 8. Now move on question 1 and 2 from this chapter. Question 1, what is Logo? Already we know about that. What is Logo? Logo is a language specially developed to teach the concept of computer programming to children. Question number 2, who found a treasure in the forest and who helped them? You know that Captain Logo and his friend the turtle found a treasure in the forest. 2 bunnies living in the forest helped them to find the treasure. I repeat question number 2 again, please. Who found a treasure in the forest and who helped them? Answer, Captain Logo and his friend the turtle found a treasure in the forest. 2 bunnies living in the forest helped them to find the treasure. Dear learners, your homework will be short question 1 and 2. Short question 1 and 2, that is your homework, and homework number also 5. Short question 1 and 2 from chapter 8, what is Logo, and question number 2, who found a treasure in the forest and who helped them. So hope you understood today's topic. You read to better understand again, and stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.